Hello friends, I'm Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on simple and compound interest. I would say this question is more of percentage. So let us see what the question is. The bacteria in a culture grows by 5% in the first hour, get destroyed by 5% in the second hour, and again grows by 5% in the third hour. If the count of the bacteria at the end of the third hour is 8.379 multiplied by 10 to the power 8, find the original count of bacteria in the sample. So let us see what the question is talking about. Let us assume that the initial count of bacteria is X at the first hour. Now, for the first hour, there is an increment in the count by 5%. This is after 1 hour. So it becomes, I would say, 105 by 100 of X. Then in the second hour, it reduces by 5%. So please understand, this reduction of 5% will happen on this value instead of on the original value. So it reduces by 5%. So can I say that it becomes 95% of the value, that is 105 by 100 times of X. And then in the third hour, there is again increment of 5%. It grows by 5% once again. So we can say that 5% growth. So we can again write it as 105 times of the value, that is 95 by 100 multiplied by 105 by 100 multiplied by X. And this value is given equal to 8.379 multiplied by 10 to the power 8. And then we have to determine the value of X. So if I just equate the values, 105 by 100 multiply by 95 by 100 multiply by 105 by 100, X is equal to 8.379 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 8. If we rearrange the values and put it equal to X, this becomes 8.379 multiplied by 10 to the power 8 multiplied by these 300s will make as 10 to the power 6 divided by, it is going to be 105 multiplied by 95 multiplied by 105. If we remove the decimal, we'll get 1000 in the denominator. Similarly, if I put the values and if I try and solve this, it becomes 8739 divided by 105, 95 and 105. It virtually comes down to 8379 multiplied by these three zeros will cancel, three zeros from the top, and this will become 10 to the power 3. So therefore I can directly write it as 10 to the power 11 divided by 105 multiply by 105 multiply by 95. So 105 multiply by 105 is nothing but 11025 multiply by 95, and I will be getting a very big number which is equal to 1047375. So when I divide 8379 by this number, that is 1047375, I will be getting a value which is equal to 0.008 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 11. So when we rearrange the values, it becomes 8 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 8. So this is my initial count of the bacteria, and that is what we say that the original count of bacteria in the sample was 8 into 10 raised to the power 8, which is your option number 3. So this is how we can solve such a easy question, which is more of a percentage based question. I hope everyone has understood the process and the method behind this question. Thank you everyone.